In front of me is Redmi Note 15 and today I would like to show you how you can open up in split screen view. All you need to do is tap on an app you wanna use in split screen at the top of your screen and launch it in the background like that. Now hold it until you see all of those options on the left. Click on this icon of two rectangles. Hit home button and tap on the second app. Now enjoy using both at once. If you want to go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe them, or if you want to keep using one of them, use this line in the middle. Hold it and drag it all the way up or all the way down. Then use this app and when you're ready, click on home button. If you wanna, you can also click on those three dots at the top right corner of one of your apps. This way you can switch them by clicking on one of those icons here. You can pick one you wanna use in floating window and click on this icon. Then tap on those three dots at the top of your window if you wanna go back to split screen. Click on this one to use chosen app in full screen view instantly. And last but not least, misclick. Click on this one with an X to close your app. Then you can pick another one in its place. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!